Our main production: PVC shrink sleeves for bottle, in-mold label, bob and pearlized label. You provide us your label design, bottle or plate draft. We can calculate your label size and print sample for you to check. More importantly, we have a professional design team. Our designers can, according to your idea, give you a unique label design. In 2000, we invested in another company in Jiangsu province, which produces automatic labeling machine. We sell the machine and printed label together. It will get a perfect match and save your time and improve work efficiency. Our company possesses a complete set of automation high-speed color press and series of advanced equipment ranging from laminate machine, double sealing machine to middle packing machine. Currently, we have about 70 employees, including several managers with medium technical titles or above. Following the philosophy of customer and credit always comes first, our company will spare no effort on innovating and creating, expecting to cooperate with friends from all circles at home and abroad to share our brilliant future.